But still, testing remains a key factor in reaching the end of this pandemic. But the question is, what happens if you test positive?
Yeah, so for many, it's a waiting game and an unsettling experience in finding out the possible range of symptoms. That's an issue that a Maryland-based biotech company is hoping to solve.
WJZ live at 11 o'clock tonight. Amy Kawada tells us about the new test that can actually predict the severity of COVID in a patient. Amy.
Rick, Nicole, well, developers say this COVID severity test will be a critical tool in avoiding overwhelmed healthcare systems like what we've seen throughout this pandemic, and ultimately it will help save lives. It's a scientific breakthrough in the fight against COVID-19.
It gives the physician that tool that doesn't exist right now.
IES Life Sciences and the University of Maryland Eastern Shore are teaming up to determine how severe a coronavirus case could become and even what type of symptoms a patient could have.
I hope that it will eliminate the fear that is associated with getting a positive SARS-CoV-2 test.
Here's how it works. Once a patient tests positive, another test would be given using nasal swabs. The results would then measure the immune response to COVID-19 in patients.
It's a new way to diagnose diseases.
And with that knowledge, developers believe doctors should be able to better focus their resources on the patients who need them most.
You need to know, do I need ventilators? Do I need ICUs? Or can I send a patient home and it's going to be a very mild case?
To help get this product to market and into doctors' hands, developers have partnered with the crowdfunding platform Music Beats Cancer.
Music Beats Cancer was designed to support entrepreneurs who've got a great idea in hand, but they simply don't have the requisite funds to move forward.
While the end goal for this innovation is to save lives, for the CEO of IES Life Sciences, David Spiegel, it means much more.
Back in January, my cousin died from COVID. On Sunday, my mother died from COVID. And I don't want that to happen to anybody else.
And the test is already patented and is currently awaiting emergency use approval from the FDA. The company's goal is to first roll out these tests here in Maryland hospitals and then expand as broad as they can. Live tonight, I'm Amy Kawada for WJZ.